Life is beautiful despite the struggles, trials, and disappointments. And today is another beautiful day. If we look around us, there are wonderful blessings, beautiful moments of joy, good news, and many hopeful and peaceful thoughts. Every moment is a fresh beginning. Every day is an opportunity to respond to life with joy. I also experience stress and anxiety. We all do at some point. But I find that the easiest way to release my stress, aside from breathing, is journaling. It is a wonderful way to structure my day, and it is free. It also does not take too much of our time. Just grab your pen and paper and put the thoughts that are cycling in your head onto paper. I promise you will feel calmer and so much better. When I journal, I sometimes use the plain notebook that I buy from dollar store or use a lined sheet of paper that is available. But most of the times, I like to use colored papers and pretty papers, cards, and even used envelopes. I like the feel of textured papers, the feel of fabric and laces, and old book pages. They just make me happy and they set the mood for me. That is why I started to make my own journals. I love making journals so much. I have plenty and I started selling them. And now it is my favorite hobby. If you are looking to purchase a handmade journal made with love and care, I invite you to take a look at what I have available. Maybe you'll find something that speaks to you. This 3 signature journal is brand new and it is looking for a new home. It is 9 inches by 6.5 inches and the spine is 2 inches. This is a naked journal, meaning the inside pages are not embellished. It has a soft cover made with Tyvek envelope and file folder, and then it is covered with very pretty fabric that is floral with birds and butterflies. The corners have book corner protectors, and there is a book plate with the title My Thoughts. The spine is covered with lovely embroidered fabric and lace, and this book is really durable and will last a long time. In between signatures, you will see elastic band, and this is to give room for ephemera holder and another signature. The ephemera holder and the signature can easily slide in and out of the band, and you can easily also remove them, replace them with the notebook of your liking, or remove them from the book completely. The remaining 3 signatures are bound permanently using the 3-hole pamphlet stitching. I left the inside pages naked so that you can decorate the pages as you please and you can make it your own. But I provided a variety of ephemera, inserts, tags, and journaling cards that you can use to decorate and beautify your journal. I also have beautiful quotes to inspire you and journaling prompts to help you in case you do not really know what to write. This journal is wonderful for someone who loves floral, birds, and butterflies, and who love encouraging quotes and sentiments. The paper pad that I used is from Prima, and it is called With Love, and the color tone is pastel pink, blue, and earth tone. Let me show you the pages. Just sit back and enjoy the music. I'll be back before the end of this video.
Some girls, they want the moon handed down my heart makes no such demands. I've made this short list, please have a glance. To sleep in all day and wake up in your arms with the sound of the rain on my window drumming away. I'm keeping it short and sweet. My bucket list. I'm not one for fairy tale dreams or technicolor Hollywood schemes. I'm more for living what must be given and given only by you. Some girls reach for the stars, fancy clothes and big shiny cars, but I'm quite content right here. Please read my short list, it's quite sincere. To just sleep in all day and wake up in your arms to the sound of the rain on my window drumming away. I'm keeping it short and sweet. My bucket list. My bucket
There you go, everyone. This 3 signature journal will be in my Etsy shop. This is my newest listing. This is a big book, which is awesome for a full year of journaling. I really had fun making this book, and I hope to find this a new home. I also have these 2 smaller journals. These are also listed in the shop, and the other one is already going to a new home. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I appreciate you all. Bye now. Till next time. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not part of my YouTube family. Stay safe and be specially blessed.